Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2015 Chevrolet Impala LTZ. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power heated mirrors with signals, keyless entry, chrome trim, and much more. 19-inch machined aluminum wheels, all-season tires, HID headlamps, LED daytime running lights, a nice chrome accented grille, and a strong six-cylinder with only 10,462 miles. The dual exhaust, large wraparound brake lights, the shark fin antenna, a spacious cargo area with a cargo net, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders and power outlets. We can't forget about the powered dual sunroof, the front row heated leather seating with driver memory, cruise, dual zone auto climate, a push button start, remote start, electronic parking brake, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia and navigation touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth and Sirius XM, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.